Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, this is Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions, and I am here with Adriana. And Adriana, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil, Brasília, the capital.
Great. So we're here at the Photo Managers Conference in Denver, and you've probably come the furthest to be here.
Yeah, I think so.
So, and tell me, what's the name of your company?
Dri Photo Organizer. Dri is a short for Adriana.
Okay.
Okay, so made it simple.
Yeah.
Dri Photo Organizer.
And how do you help your clients there in Brazil?
I have basically digital organization for the photos and to rescue the memories to them to be able to enjoy their memories better in a better way.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and how are you finding that people are responding to that? Is there a need for that?
Yes, it's like photo organizing Brazil is like in big steps, and so I'm still like creating culture to them about the needs to the photo organization, and some of them are kind of surprised when they see there is this kind of job I can do.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of struggling with this newness to photo organization.
Well, photo organizing is not that old. I mean, this is only our 10th conference.
Yes, in my first one.
Yeah. So welcome.
Yes, thank you, Philip.
And it's been great seeing how photo organizing is actually spreading around the world because there is a need for it.
Yes.
People are taking more pictures, and you're doing digital there in Brazil.
Yes.
You've got people from the Netherlands here.
Yes.
Good. Well, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you again with my next guest.